In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to help with ghostwriting for clients. We'll keep this simple and practical. Start by opening Claude AI in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, click New Chat in the left sidebar to create a clean workspace for this project. A fresh chat helps Claude focus on the specific client and assignment without mixing in previous context. In the message box labeled Reply, clearly state that you want Claude to help with ghostwriting. Set the stage by explaining the project and what success looks like. Be direct, like, I'm ghostwriting for a client and need a draft that closely matches their voice. That simple framing tells the model your intent from the start. Next, provide the core details that guide the writing. Specify the type of content you need, whether it's a blog post and an article, a LinkedIn post, or something similar, so Claude understands format and length expectations. Share the client's industry or niche to anchor the topic in the right domain. Define the target audience so the draft lands at the right level of expertise. Then outline the client's preferred tone or style, such as conversational, authoritative, witty, or formal. The more precise you are, the better the first draft will be. If you have additional information, bring it in now. Include any notes from the client, key points or an outline, and short examples of the client's previous writing. You can paste brief excerpts to demonstrate voice patterns, things like sentence rhythm, common phrases, or how they open and close sections. Only include what you're authorized to share and leave out any sensitive identifiers. This context gives Claude a clear voice target to emulate. Ask Claude to write the content while maintaining the client's voice and perspective. If the piece should be first person, say so. If it needs to sound like a seasoned expert or a friendly mentor, spell that out. Then press enter to generate the content. When the draft appears, review it with a critical eye. Check for accuracy, clarity, file, and alignment with the client's brand and goals. If it's close but not quite there, ask Claude to refine the tone, improve clarity, or adjust the style to better match the client's voice. Be specific in your feedback, like tightening the introduction, simplifying jargon, or making transitions smoother. You can also request alternative versions, more concise phrasing, or a stronger hook. Repeat that feedback loop until the piece reads naturally as your client. With clear guidance and thoughtful iteration, Claude becomes a reliable partner for fast, consistent ghostwriting.